I don't need to go to Fiesta.
You don't? Oh, alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Me and my dad riding our bike. Time you watch this, we'll be back home already. So, because I don't have no data on my phone, on this phone, of course. But, who cares about that right now? Yeah, today a beautiful day. And yeah, we'll be going by the drug cuties. So, I call them drug cutie because all people do drugs, so. You tired good?
Thought I had something in my tire. Something wrong?
Hope no dumb carpet beater ran on us today.
Right?
Cause I don't want to stop and flick them off. Flick my big flick. I am. Today is a beautiful day. So, and I'm recording on my phone, Dad. So, I'm going by the drug cuties, of course, like I said. You know, I'm going by the drug cuties. I call them drug cutie for a reason. You know? Because most of the people do that. Yeah. And I don't want to live in a cutie home because it's probably too expensive. I seen it. Five guys had to stop at force because of a penny. I had to pick up the penny. Had to kind of flow my row. Flow my row. Here. Here, Dad.
I don't want it.
No, can you hang on? Why? Alright.
Means I gotta snap the pants again, and I don't want to do that. I mean, my buttons. I don't want to do that.
Can we stop right here? Can you?
I know what?
Open.
Really, dude?
Hi. Hang on, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
I have to pick up that penny. Hey, pennies add up for real. It bendable. Some people think it's not bendable, but it really is. It's bendable. Some people think I don't need the pennies because they're not worthless. You know? Come on, man. That's what the CUNY homes, and then number four bus. So, and I like to unclog drains sometimes when I'm not busy. Sometimes, but yeah, today is an awesome day. Yeah. Have fun and go around it, you know? No flat tire today. Nope, you know?
Yeah.
I don't want no dumb flat tire.
There's a lot of glass in there.
Yeah. Someone texts. Yeah.
Watch, I guarantee it is. Watch, I'll stop. Watch.
Anyway, I had to stop anyways, guys, because I have to be letting you go before I pay attention to the road and other things. So I will catch you when I probably get on the way home. So, or by the Walmart. So, bye.